Welcome to my channel Learn Engineering. Myself Bhaskaran from Mechanical Engineering Department from Reimer Engineering College. In this video we will go to see problems based on definite integrals. Okay. Definite integrals can be done in two methods by Reimer theorem and midpoint rules. First we go to solve about Reimer theorem. Reimer theorem, which is integration of a to b f of dx, which is equal to limit n tends to infinity where summation of I equal to 1 to n f of xi del x, which is the Riemann theorem, where del x, which is b minus a by n, xi is equal to a plus I del x. These are the important notes to solve the problems. Okay, let's see the how to solve the problem. Okay, here question is given where integration of 0 to 3 x square minus 2x into dx by Riemann method. Okay, for solving this type of sum, first we have to find del x, which is b minus a, that is 3 minus 0 by n. N is number of interval, there is no intervals is given, therefore del x, which is equal to 3 by n. Then where x0, which is 0, x1, which is 3 by n, where xi, which is a plus I del x, where a, which is 0, plus I into del x, which is 3 by n, therefore 3i by n, which is xi. Therefore integration of 0 to 3 into x square minus 2x into dx, which is equal to limit of n tends to infinity summation of I equal to 1 to n f of xi into del x. We can write this in Riemann method. Then limit n tends to infinity summation of I equal to n f of, where xi, which is 3i by n, then del x, we have solved del x as 3 by n. Then limit n tends to infinity 3 by n into summation of I equal to 1 to n f of 3i by n, where f of x is x square minus 2x, where f of 3i by n, which is written as 3i by n the whole square minus 2 into 3i by n. Therefore it can transform like limit n tends to infinity 3 by n summation of I tends to 1 to n 3i by n the whole square minus 3i by n into 2. Then limit n tends to infinity 3 by n summation of I equal to n, where 3 square 9 and 3 into 2, which is a 6. Therefore we get limit n tends to infinity, here 9 into 3 27, therefore 27 by n cube into summation of I equal to 1 to n into, then remaining I square minus limit n tends to infinity 18 by n square summation of I equal to 1 to n I. Okay, then limit n tends to infinity 27 by n cube summation of I equal to 1 by I square, the summation of I equal to 1 into n into I square, which is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Therefore n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus limit n tends to infinity 18 by n square summation of I equal to n to n I equal to 1 to n into I, which is n into n plus 1 by 2. Therefore by solving we get limit n tends to infinity 27 by 6 n cube into 1 plus 1 by n into 2 plus 1 by n minus limit n tends to infinity, 9 by n square into n square 1 plus 1 by n. When n is infinity, therefore 1 by infinity 0, therefore we get 27 by 6, 1 here, 2 minus 9. Therefore the answer will be 9 minus 9, which is 0. This is the answer. Okay, now the midpoint rule is integration of 0 to b f of x into dx, which is equal to integration of I equal to 1 to n f of xi the whole bar into del x. Okay, by using this equation you can solve the integration sum by midpoint rule also.